Do a quick little video real quick. I found a pine cone outside, put this eye hook in it, and I'm going to take some peanut butter and some bird seed, and I'm going to put them together and make a beautiful hanging bird feeder to put on my outside Christmas tree. Okay, so you take your hook and your bird feed, your pine cone, and take your peanut butter and you spread it like you would on a sandwich. I'm just going to cover this up really good. Sorry, my video editing is for the birds. A little ha ha ha, pun intended. Okay, so give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay, now that it's covered in peanut butter, I'm going to cover it in birdseed. I'll take what I have on the thing, add some more to it. This is sugar-free peanut butter too, so it's not going to affect the birds. Let's get this bird feed on really well. And I know my little squirrel friends are probably going to like it too. All right, here we go. And they are done. And here they are hanging on my outside Christmas tree.